Acmegrade Internship. What is this? And I will give you a real review that is it legitimate or is it real or is it fake? So it claims to offer internship programs in various fields promising a curriculum aligned with the industry. Rahul Kumar is the founder of Acmegrade and it approaches clients through its website where it showcases its internship programs and offers. The website design appears professional, which might attract potential interns on their website. Now, what main is you can see the streams here that for which streams it will provide internship and promises stipend of 18,000 plus 10,000 as incentive. There are claims that the company does not fulfill the promise and only pay a maximum of 4,000. According to similar web, it has approximately 34,000 visitors as of February 2024. The website profile I'll give you, let me just simply tell you all the details. The website is acmegrade.com, name is Acmegrade Internship Program. The domain was registered on 9 July 2021. This is the physical address. That is the most important thing in any business we review. So yes, the physical address is given. Contact details also given. We just have to try out that is it number working or not. Here are some of the concern about this platform. Despite offering stipend and incentive in the offer letter, there are reports of interns not receiving the promised amount and are not treated with respect. Second thing is, many interns report that the company fails to deliver on its commitment made in the offer letter. It claims collaboration with institutions like IIT Bombay and KIOS Ahmedabad have been denied by these institutions. So it raised question on the company's credibility. The website appears professional, well designed, which could indicate a legitimate organization. The company provides contact information which can be seen as a positive sign of transparency. Overall, this program seems to be lack of credibility with multiple reports indicating now it is advisable to proceed with caution and conduct through the research before considering any internship opportunity with the company. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it and please subscribe to the channel for watching such reviews and videos like this.